This is a Knipek. It's the Twin Grip Pliers. Here's what I call them, screw removers. One of the big problems I have is sometimes when there's a break-in or there's a broken screw in the wood, it's in the way, and you got to remove it. So I've always had my pliers, my vice grips. I've been trying to grab onto the little bits and pieces, and then I heard about using one of these as a screw remover. So this is, I've never owned one before, and also you'll see another video where I've grabbed another one that's quite popular. But I love the Knipex pliers, so this is another one. So let's take a look at it, and we'll go from there. So to say these are pinch resistant or pinch proof, it's a really unique jaw setting. So when you have a broken screw or bolt, you can just, or worn out, you can just lock this into there. High quality German tool. I love their pliers. This is the first time trying this. I'm going to add it to my kit. I had a break-in the other day. I had nothing but trouble removing screws, and I thought there has to be a better way. I was looking at needle nose pliers, and apparently the Knipex, this is their solution. So let's show this in action now. It's actually, it won't, it's too small for this. So if we go sideways, okay. So we have to take it off to the side. Definitely has a good bite in there. Oh geez, I don't even have a lot of pressure on this. That goes on that. Got it sideways. It had good grip. Good grip there. Vampire tools. This is a screw remover pliers, and they're Japanese made. They're very high quality. These are Vampire tools. And this is, they have a whole pile, a whole series. This is their smallest one, and I thought I'd order it. It came in, no problem, and let's see what we have here. Vampliers. This is the screw removal. This is kind of a nice little case here. Let's see this. Okay, it's kind of cool. And similar idea, the jaws to grab onto the broken screw. Or bolt even. Okay, grips it really good. Oh yeah. So obviously a size difference between the Knipex and the Vampire tool. They have very, very similar jaws and how they're going to grip on. So obviously this would be better for the bigger screws, and we'll see how it does on we'll try the two together. And this is a great one. Now this could maybe be okay for removing broken keys too. So again, obviously the size difference. Knipex doesn't make a small one of these, and the Vampire tools makes about 5 or 6 different versions, needle nose, pliers, everything, and larger sizes. So very interesting between the two. I have both, and they're going in my daily toolkit because it drives me nuts when I can't get a screw out and I'm trying my pliers, and they both work excellent. Geez, I recommend you got to have both. And I have on order the larger Vampire tools, so we can see the difference in the tools. I love Knipex. I have lots of them. This is my first Vampire tool. It seems to be good. Let's see how it does in the service truck after a little bit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.